This is a little deer right next to our campsite. And this is my tent. This is a deer. This is our dining table. This is our stove. Here's a deer again.
Okay, there you go.
He looks like very hungry, like us. Yes. Yes, he's going away. Yeah, he's gone. And now he is gone.